Okay, I'm going to discuss setting up the Hawk Network DCU. So after plugging in the 5-volt power supply on the back of the Hawk and connecting the flat ribbon cable from the Hawk to the back of the MK formation tester, and connecting the Ethernet cable from the front of the Hawk to your computer, and lastly, putting the two front switches in the down position, the bypass and the hold position. Both of those should be in the down or run position, so both switches down. You're now ready to connect. Now this one's already connected, so I'm going to remove it temporarily. So let me just remove that. And when you connect and have your computer turned on or the Hawk plugged in, if nothing is showing, you want to click on the upper set of channels to see if it shows up. Or better still, let's begin with a local search. So if that doesn't show up, let's start with local search. Then I'm going to go double click 00. Okay. So there's nothing. Oh, here it's already finding because I already set it up. But I'll go through the motions. So the network address is made up of 4 sets of ordinals. So these numbers are called ordinals. And 192.168 is common for all networks using Microsoft products. What's important for the Hawk is these last 2 ordinals are very particular. This third ordinal, 20, must match the address that I have in my network. So my computer network should be 192.168.20, the same as the Hawk network. But on the computer network, on that IP address, that static address, I need to have a number different than what I have here. So the first 3 sets of numbers are identical. The last number is unique. So I'm going to put the Hawk 30 for the last set of ordinals, or the last set of numbers. And on my network, as described in the manual, this will be 192.168.20, and I put 20.29 or .31, but not 30. The net mask 255.0.0.0, and don't worry about the gateway, the MAC address. So that's the first thing, the IP address. The second thing to cover is I have to select the script file. So I hit the select button, and it defaults to the MK Systems subfolder called Control Console, and you want to select DCU1. For systems before 2013, it's use the old formation script, but for all intents and purposes, for most systems out there, select DCU1, double click it, or click it once and hit open, either way. Then I hit send, and the system prompts me, I'm in capture mode, do I want to send it? Hit yes, and it'll confirm file has been sent. There it is. And the last thing to do is end pause. Okay, so 3 things. End the pause. First thing was the network address, static address. The second thing was sending the script file. And the third thing was ending the pause. I hit close now to exit this, and I could see I have connected in green and forced capture in green. Now I'm ready to run the MK program because everything is ready to capture data.